Yo, what's up guys? What's up YouTube out there? Today I'll be doing an unboxing with the Lowrance Elite TI2. I do already have the TI1. I got two of them units, but this time I did want a third unit to have up front. So yeah, this is the Elite TI2 right here. It has have the active imaging 3-in-1. It's just the US lens doesn't have the C-map in it because my other unit already has it. So, as a matter of fact, there's the two units I already have. So I decided to get myself the third unit. I just want to do a quick little unboxing on this, so people can actually see what you actually get in it, depending really probably on what units you get. So here is the unit right here. It's out of the box. It's just the cover. Nothing in it. Just cover. Cover from the sun, water when you're on the boat. That is the unit right there. Very nice. Can't wait to have it on. So right here is the power. This one's gonna be for your the transducer on here, and then the third one right here, the small one, is gonna be for the NEMA 2000, so it can actually communicate. Since the TI1 is not wireless, the TI2 is wireless. So I do need the cable. We'll be having that one on. But yeah, so far looks very nice. There it goes. It is the unit. Let's see what else is inside this box. Cables. Where's my transducer? Here you go. This is the transducer here. There it is right there. Really nice. It's nice that it has in this packaging, because when my had the TI1, did not come in a package like this. It was just in there. But this is really nice to actually have it so it's covered up. Give it protection because you do want to protect it. Nice long cable running all the way from the back to the console. Let's see what else is in here. There's your power cable. And there's the bracket to hold the unit in. Aluminum. Same like the other one. Here's the bracket for the transducer. Put it right at the back of the bolt. But I will be getting another bracket because I have a set underneath my bolt, because my bolt really does not have a lot of room to mount this bracket on. So I actually have it just mounted right on the bottom. When I do set it all in, I will make a video on how I set it in. I mount it all up in there and what I get for it. And you got a couple of knobs right here. They're on the bracket for the unit, so I can hold it in place. And like everything else, 1,000 bolts. And we love bolts. And this time they gave a lowrance sticker. because my other one does not have a lowrance sticker. Manuals. Oh, look at that, they gave two, I guess for each side of the bowl, huh? What else we got in here? More manuals. We love manuals. So, that's just a quick unboxing of the TI2 right there. TI2. We'll be making a video when I do get it installed, so stay tuned for that. You guys want, you can also just hit that like, subscribe if you like. You can also follow me on Instagram on 4 Season Bassin. We got a lot of photos, videos if I put them up there. But yeah, if you like, subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you on the next one.